Good morning, children. In the previous lecture, we have learnt about pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. When I say noun, it can be name, it can be person, animals, or things. Now, pronouns are of different. There are different types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and relative pronouns. We have already done about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be divided into three types: first person, second person, and third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener, and the third person is who? The other than the speaker. Now, first person can be male and female, okay? And the words which are used for first person is I and me, okay? If it is singular. If it is singular, I, me. If it is plural, then we and us, okay? I is used in the place of subject, singular. We is used in the place of subject, plural. Me is used in the place of object, singular. Us is used in the place of object in the plural form. The second person, if it is a second person, no matter whether it is a male or female, you always use the word you, okay? And even in the plural form, we use the word you, whether it is in the place of subject or whether it is in the place of object. In the third person, the person other than the speaker, if he is a male, then we use the word he in the place of subject and him in the place of object. It's a female, then she in the place of subject and her in the place of object. And if it's a neuter gender, means non-living things where you can't make out whether it's a boy or a girl, that time we use the word it, no matter whether it is in the place of subject or object. In the plural form, what will happen? Whether it is male, female or neuter, in subject we use the word they and in object we use the word them, okay? This was for the personal pronouns. Now let's go further with possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are those pronouns which shows ownership or positions, okay? Either it shows ownership or it can show the position. Such kind of pronouns are known as possessive pronouns. Now let me give you a few examples of possessive pronouns, like mine, ours, yours, theirs, hers, and his. These are the examples of personal possessive pronouns. Now let me show you, give you a few examples where possessive pronouns are used. The first sentence: the kids are yours and mine. So over here, yours and mine are possessive pronoun. Second one: the house is theirs and its paint is flaking. Over here, theirs is a possessive pronoun because it is showing whose house it is. Next, the money was really theirs for the taking. So over here, the word theirs is a possessive pronoun because it is showing that whose money is it. Next, we shall finally have what is rightfully ours. So over here, which is a possessive pronoun? Ours. Let's take another example. The dog is mine. So whose dog it is? Mine. So mine shows the ownership. So mine is what? Possessive pronoun. The cat is yours. So which is the possessive pronoun over here? Yours, because it is showing the ownership. Let's take another example. What's mine is yours. My friend. So here these are what? Possessive pronouns. Now possessive pronouns can also be in the form of singular and plural in the similar manner: first person, second person and third person.